Dear students, today we will see the introduction of accountancy. Accountancy is as old as money itself. Chanakya has emphasized the existence and need of accounting and auditing in his Kautilya's Arthashastra. The concept of modern accounting system is developed in the 18th century by Luca Paciolo of Italy. We know the size of the business is increased by the Industrial Revolution in 1760. The production of the goods is doing by the manufacturer before the demand, and hence the production is going on large scale. So the businessman wants to record his business transactions for the ascertaining the profit or loss of his business. We know that every businessman has running his business for earning the profit only. His main purpose to running the business is to get money, to get profit, and so for ascertaining or for knowing the profit, he wants to do the accounting methods or accounting system in his business. For ascertaining the profit, he prepared the profit and loss account. Also, he wants to know his financial position of the business. For this purpose, he prepared the balance sheet of the business. So the main purpose of the preparing books of accounts or doing the accountancy is to know the business profit and the financial position of the business. By the keeping the books of accounts, he records all the financial transactions in these books of accounts, and finally at the end of the year he makes or prepare the profit and loss account and balance sheet. What is the purpose of the recording of the financial transaction? That is only to know the profit of the business or to know the financial position of the business. So he keeps all financial record in the books of accounts for knowing the profit of the business. We know the all things can't be remembered by the businessman for 1 year, for the 12 months. So he want to record it, and therefore he record all financial transactions and get the results of the business by maintaining accounts. So what is the meaning of accountancy? Accountancy is the art, practice, or system of keeping, analyzing, and interpreting business accounts. So in the accountancy, what it means? It means accountancy is an art. For the making or for the preparing the accounts, the accountants should have some special skills. Then and then only he can be prepare the accounts. So it is an art. What is the art? Accountancy art is practice or system of keeping the books of accounts or analyzing the books of accounts or the financial information, analyzing the financial information and interpreting the business information. Means in accountancy, the keeping the record is include, analysis of the financial information is include, and interpretation of the financial information is also included in the books in the accountancy. There is a definition given by the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, means AICPA. What is the definition? The definition is like accounting is an art of recording, classifying, and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money, transactions and events which are in part at least of the financial character and interpreting the results thereof. In the definition also, some functions are included, or we can know the features of the accountancy by this definition. Which are the features? It means accountancy or the accounting is an art of recording the financial transaction in the books of accounts. Means it is an art of recording. Then classifying. It means in the accountancy we classify the financial information in the various groups. Like when we are preparing the final accounts, we classify direct expenses, indirect expenses, then direct incomes, then indirect incomes, indirect expenses, then assets, liabilities, means all financial transactions which made in the year, we classified these all transactions in various groups. Means classification is doing in the in accountancy. Then in accountancy, the financial information is summarized. Means summarizing is a function of accountancy in a significant manner, means the recording, classification and summarizing is in significant manner. It is systematically recorded, systematically classified and systematically summarize the all financial transactions. And in the terms of money, means which transactions are made for the money. These transactions or events are recorded in the accountancy. Means those financial transactions have the financial background. Only these transactions are recorded, classified and summarized. Those transactions not having any financial matter, that transactions are not recorded in the accountancy or in the books of accounts. Lastly, the financial characters and interpreting the result thereof. Means at least of financial characters of transactions are recorded, interpreted and give the results. Which results? The results means by the trading account, we know the gross profit of the business. Means the gross profit is the result or gross loss is the result, which is known by the way of trading account or by the help of trading account. The another result is net profit. We know the net profit by preparing profit and loss account. Means profit and loss account give result of net profit or net loss. Means for the getting results of the businessman prepare the financial accounts or books of accounts. He maintain books of accounts. So for the getting results, financial results, the businessman prepare the final accounts or make the record in the books of accounts for getting the result of the business or for knowing the business profit and the financial position of the business. The objectives of the accountancy. There are so many objectives of the financial accountancy. Some of these we study here. First of all, the objective is to keep systematic records. Means the objective of the accountancy is to keep systematic financial record of the business or financial transactions. Means the businessman keep record of the financial transactions in the books of accounts. For what purpose? He want to know the result of the business. He want to know the business profit or loss. He want to the financial position of the business. So he keep record of the financial transactions. Means the accountancy is prepare or make for the knowing the financial results, and for this purpose he keep the systematic financial record. Then the other objective is to protect business properties. We know in the business there are various assets of the business or of the businessman. So the businessman want to protect these all assets. Why and how the accountancy is protect the business properties? The business may know how much property he has by the way of preparing balance sheet. Balance sheet gives the details about the fixed assets, current assets, his capital or his investment or creditors also. Means how much money he wants, he is recovering from the peoples, or how much money he wants to give or refund to the other peoples. He know by the way of making or preparing balance sheet. So it's protect from unjustified and unwarranted use of property by preparing the balance sheet. He know which property is properly using or not, or which is a loss he is getting in the use of property by the way of making or preparing the balance sheet. So the second objective of the accountancy is to protect business properties. The third objective is to ascertain the profit or loss. I said just the main purpose or main aim of the preparing financial accounts is to know the business profit or business loss. The businessman know by the preparing trading account and profit and loss account, he ascertain the profit or loss of the business. Means the objective of the accountancy is to know profit or loss of the business. The next objective is to ascertain the financial position of the business. I explained just he prepare balance sheet. And by the way of the making balance sheet, he know, means businessman know of the business, means how much he has property or how much he has assets and how much he has liabilities, or to refund the money or the amount uh, for the outsiders of the business. Then the another objective is to provide information for decision making. Friends, the accountancy's purpose or aim not only to ascertain the profit or loss of the business or the financial position, but the businessman take day-to-day decisions of the business, or he want to take decisions of the business for running well running of the business. And so for the doing correct decision or for taking the correct decision, he wants real information or true information. On the basis of true information, when he take the decisions, they will be correct or they will be true and they can be implemented efficiently by the businessman. Means on the incorrect information, on the basis of incorrect information, when the businessman is take decision, then the decision will be the incorrect. So providing information or correct information providing to the businessman for the taking decisions is also the objective of the accountancy. And the last objective of the accountancy to help other peoples also. Means accountancy can help to the another peoples, those who are related to the business. They are not the owner of the business, but they have interest to know the position of the business, the profit of the business. And to them also the accountancy provide information. Like money lenders provide loan to the businessman, to the business. So he want to know whether the business is going properly or not, or he is getting profit or not. The businessman is getting profit or loss. For the providing loans or for taking the decision to provide the loans to the businessman, he want to the position of the business. Money lenders can provide the loans to those business which are getting profit, which financial position is sound. For that business can provide only the loans by the money lenders. The another related persons are creditors, because creditors are providing goods or raw materials or machineries to the businessman on credit. So he wants to know whether the businessman can refund his money or not. If the businessman's position is not good, then the creditors also not provide the goods on credit. So creditors are interested to know where the business is getting profit or loss, getting profit or not, and the position of the businessman, financial position of the businessman is sound or not. Workers also, laborers, they are doing work in the firms or in industries. They want to the position of the business also, because they getting the salaries, wages from the industries or organization. So workers also are interested to know the financial position of the business. And another, government is also interested to know the financial position of the business, because government charge various taxes on the business. So what is the income of the business for charging income tax or other taxes? He want the information, financial information of the firms or business. So these people are interesting to know the financial position of the business or firms or entrepreneur. So the accountancy is provide financial information to these people also by the way of profit and loss account and balance sheet and other various financial statements which published by the businessman or the firm or industry or organization. Friends, here in this video we studied about the introduction of accountancy, meaning of the accountancy, definition of the accountancy, and objectives of the accountancy, which are included in the first unit or in first chapter of Fundamental of Financial Accountancy or Accounting. Okay, thank you.